Today I'm taking a look at the WORKPRO silicone non-slip tool trays. So we got a couple different sizes. This is our small size tray. So you got a bunch of different bit holders, so if we can keep everything organized. We have 3 slots. It has a couple little cutouts right here, so if we want to lay something across, so if we're trying to get something to dry, for example. And then we got a little raised area right here to help keep small things kind of separated. Here is our large tray. Now you can see this is very flexible, so you don't want to just set something in there and then expect it to hold everything up. This is going to be something where you want to set it on something like an engine bay. It's going to be nice because it's going to be rubber, so you don't have to worry about scratching anything. And on top of that, it's going to keep all your parts in one spot. It does have a couple of handles on here, so if you need to carry something around, you can do that with this. And we got a bunch of little compartments all around the perimeter. Here is our medium size. Looks like we got some spots for sockets. We got a bunch of little compartments, and we got that little texture pad on the inside. And finally, we got 2 of these handy dandy little magnetic trays. These things I use all the time. I use them whenever I'm working on a car. When I'm taking apart equipment, I got a bunch of little nuts and bolts. These things are a lifesaver. What's great about them, because they're magnetic on the bottom, we just take that, we can stick it right to a wall or even to a ceiling if you're working on machinery. Then as you're taking off nuts and bolts, you can just put them right to it. Very handy thing to have. So just to check. Cool, that is plenty magnetic, and that does stick to my table. So excellent little magnetic tray. I do have a protective pad on the bottom as well. It's not really rubber, it's more like a plastic, but that's going to help to protect your surface to make sure you're not scratching anything up. Now for these silicone trays, there is no magnets to them. These are entirely just silicone trays. Now I like silicone because silicone is heat resistant. If you ever take a look at those little soldering mats, those are all made out of silicone, and they're relatively chemical resistant, and they're very, very rubbery, which means that they are going to stick to surfaces very well, so you don't have to worry about those things sliding off. So overall, this is an awesome little tray kit.